Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, and welcome to another video tutorial. Today's topic is the coordinate plane. So get out your composition book, get out your pencil, pen, and let's take some notes. So here's an example of the coordinate plane. So what really is a coordinate plane? Well, it's a two-dimensional surface. It means it doesn't have a body. It's flat like a piece of paper. And it's formed by two main number lines, a vertical and a horizontal. Okay. And it gives you the ability to plot points. So when you see this order pair like 3, -2, it gives you ability to plot that point on this coordinate plane because you have a nice little grid here. Okay. So let's just take some notes. Let's get some terms out of the way, some vocabulary. So this line right here, or let's see here, no. The horizontal line is also known as the x-axis, okay? So this little line going across is also called the x-axis, the horizontal line. And the line, the vertical line, is known as the y-axis. And no, the y-axis, okay? And also notice, so the numbers, let's not talk about that yet. Let's stop, okay. And then the point where the two axes meet, the two lines meet, is called the origin. And that point's known, or the order pair is known as 0, 0, okay? Also notice that on the y-axis, the positive integers are after the point meet going up, and the negative integers go down after the origin. And on the x-axis, the positive integers are the right of the origin and negative integers to the left, okay? So go ahead and press pause and write this information down if you need to. Some other trivial information. You know, some people will call the y-axis or the vertical axis the ordinate. And some people will call the x-axis, I think you pronounce it abyssus? Abyssus? I'm not sure. But anyway, you won't ever hear me refer to either as those words. But you might hear another math teacher. So anyway, but I'll just call it the x-axis and the y-axis. Okay. What's great though is you can plot points on this coordinate plane. So if you see the order pair 3, -2, what you have to understand is the first number is referring to the x-axis, the vertical or the horizontal line, and the second number is referring to the y-axis, the vertical line. So if I want to plot the point 3, -2, well, I would first go over 3, 1, 2, 3. That's on the x-axis, that's the x. And then I would go down 2, 1, 2. So I would plot my point probably right about there because this is your y, okay? And then if I had another order pair that said -3, 2, okay, so my first point is for my x. So I would go this way, -3, 1, 2, 3. And then I'm going up 2, and I would plot my point. And then you can even draw a line to connect the points, okay? But anyway, a coordinate plane allows you to plot points on a two-dimensional surface and graph if needed. Other things to talk about are, when you look at a coordinate plane, there are 4 quadrants, or normally 4 quadrants. And you have quadrant 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, notice it says quadrant 1, x is always greater than 0 and y is always greater than 0. That means anything, when you give your order pair, the integers are always positive. So this 4 and 5 would be in this quadrant. In quadrant 2, x is less than 0, y is greater than 0. That means when you give this order pair, your x integer is negative, but your y integer is positive. So if I had to plot this point, it would be in quadrant 2. In quadrant 3, this is when both of your integers are negative, such as if I had like -1, -2, that would be plotted in quadrant 3. And quadrant 4 is, well, x is greater than 0 and y is less, such as maybe 4, -1. So that would be probably right about there. Okay. So you have quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3, quadrant 4. Just remember it goes counterclockwise. So you start 1, 2, 3, and 4. That will help you. Pause if you need to and take notes, okay? So all I want you to do is just press pause and list A, B, and C and give the order pair for each. So A would be what as the order pair? What would B? What would C and what would D equal? And then we'll go over it tomorrow. And then here, just kind of write in 1 or 2 sentences, explain whether 0.45 is on the same location of the coordinate plane as 0.54. Is it on? And if not, why or why not? Why? If it is, yes, why? Or if not, why not? Okay? So 1 or 2 sentences on that. And the last thing I want you to do is, can you give me an example or examples of real life situations where we use a coordinate plane? Something that has a grid. Can you give me an example of that? And we'll discuss that tomorrow. Really, I think that's it. Yeah, that is it. That's the end of today's lesson. I hope you enjoyed it. And I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.